Good morning, everyone. This is Sham, Assistant Professor, Civil Department, Chevrolet Engineering College. Subject estimation, specification, and contracts. Unit 2 analysis of rates. On topic, today we will discuss problems on rates of materials and labor. Analysis of rates. To determine the rate of particular item of work from the quantities of materials and labors required and their costs. The rates of materials and labor are changing from the place to place. Therefore, the rates of different items of work also changes from to place to place. So here we calculating the materials and labor costs in construction of projects. So we go to the problems, write the problem, find the rates of the following items required for the building workout of quantity of dry material and cost of material and cost of labor for 10 cubic meter brick masonry. Cement mortar 1:6. And write bricks at rate 2700 rupees per 1000 numbers. Next one, cement at rate 320 rupees per bag. Sand 800 rupees per cubic meter. Next, 8 masons 700 per day. 15 mazdoors 350 rupees per day. And 2 visting 200 per day. So here we calculate the total material cost and total labor cost. Previous classes we find it only quantity. Here find it quantity plus cost. So first of all, in this given the cement mortar, the ratio is 1:6. First of all, we calculate the dry volume of mortar. Here given the brickwork. So first dry volume of mortar required for the 1 cubic meter brickwork, brick masonry equal to 0.30 cubic meter. It is the dry volume of mortar. So first we calculate the quantity of the material. So write material requirement. Here is the ratio 1:6. Here 1 is the cement, 6 is the fine aggregate, means sand. So first one, cement requirement equal to dry volume of mortar into cement ratio by sum of the ratio into quantity. So dry volume of the mortar 0.30 into cement ratio is 1 divided by 1 plus 6, sum of the ratio is 1 plus 6 into quantity is 10 cubic meter. Here given the 10 cubic meter brick masonry in problem. So substitute it and multiply totally. Then finally cement requirement is equal to 0.428 cubic meter. And this is converted into kgs. Weight of the cement equal to 0.428 into unit weight of the cement is 1440. 0.428 multiplied with 1440 equal to 616.32 kgs and converts into bags. Number of bags equal to total weight of the cement is 616.32 kgs divided by each bag weight is 50 kgs. It is equal to 12.32. It is equal to 13 bags. This is the cement, 13 bags. Next, we'll find out the requirement of the sand. Right? Sand requirement equal to, it is the dry volume of mortar into sand ratio divided by sum of the ratio into quantity. It is the 10 cubic meter brick masonry. It is quantity. So 0.3 is the dry volume of mortar, 6 is the sand ratio, and divided by sum of the ratio is 1 plus 6 into 10. That is equal to 2.57 cubic meter. This is the sand requirement of the sand, 2.57 cubic meter. Next one, the brick requirement. It is equal to, so quantity into 10 cubic meter here into 1 cubic meter bricks equal to 500 numbers. So 10 into 500 equal to 5000 numbers per brick requirement for the 10 cubic meters. For cubic meter bricks equal to 1 cubic meter, fill the 500 numbers of bricks. Quantity, it is the quantity for 1 cubic meter. We find out the here 10 cubic meters. So 10 into 500, 5000 numbers. It is the brick requirement. So in this we find out the cement requirement, sand requirement, and brick requirement. And next we go to the cost of material, cost of labor. So draw the table from serial number, description, quantity, unit of payment, rate, amount. So first one, serial number 1, materials. We find the materials, cement, sand, bricks. We find cement requirement, sand requirement, brick requirement. So first of all, quantity. We find out the cement is 13 bags. Requirement of cement 13 bags. Say it is the 13 bags. So next unit of payment is pay the each one bag. Rate is 320 rupees. This rate is given in problem. See, cement rate is 320 rupees per bag and sand is 800 rupees per cubic meter and brick is 2700 per 1000 numbers. So first one, cement quantity is 13 bags, payment unit of payment is 1 bag and rate of the each bag is 320 rupees. Then multiply into 1 bag into total quantity, 13 into 320, that is equal 4160 rupees for cement amount. Next one, sand requirement is 2.57 cubic meter. See, 2.57 cubic meter, it is the sand requirement. Next unit of payment is cubic meters, 1 cubic meters. Then 1 cubic meter amount is 800 in given the problem. So see, sand at 800 rupees per cubic meter. Then 800 into 2.57 cubic meters multiply. Finally 2056 rupees. It is the requirement of the sand cost. Next, materials in bricks works. Bricks quantity for 10 cubic meters 5000 numbers. Unit payment is 1 brick cost. Here rate is 2.7 rupees per 1 brick. Here given data 2700 rupees per 1000 numbers. So it is equal to each one brick cost equal to 2700 divided by 1000, that is equal to 2.7 rupees per brick. Here 2.7 multiply with 5000, then finally 13,500 rupees. It is the requirement of bricks and cost. Next one, labor cost. So second serial number, second labor. Here we solve the total cost of the labor in a given problem. Here for how many use labors in for 10 cubic meter brick masonry, here 8 masons and 15 mazdurs, 2 bisti. There gives the rates. Each mason rate is 700 rupees per day, mazdurs 350 rupees per day, 2 bisti 200 per day. And substitute. First masons, it is the quantity 8 numbers and unit of payment is each person 1 and each rate is each person 700 rupees. So 700 into 8 equal to 5,600 rupees masons cost for 10 cubic meters construction. And mazdurs, second one, here 15 numbers. See, 15 numbers and the rate is 350 rupees. So unit of payment is 1, rate is 350 rupees. Then multiply 350 into 15, 5,250 rupees per mazdurs, total mazdurs. Next one, bisti, quantity 2 numbers and payment is 1, unit of payment and rate is 200. 200 into 2 equal to 400. Here total cost of the material is 19,760 rupees. Here total cost of the labor 11,250 rupees. Then finally total cost of the building construction equal to 19,716 plus 11,250, that is equal to 30,966 rupees. This is the cost of the building construction. So any doubt in this problem? No. Next we go to the second problem. Find the rates of the following items of requirements of the buildings. Write down. Find the rates of the following items of requirements of building. So here given the two clauses. First one is the A, first class brickwork in superstructure in cement mortar 1:4 for 10 cubic meter. Second class is the 1:2:4 CC cement concrete required for the slab and beam for 10 cubic meters of RCC works. So first class here given the brickwork, second one is the RCC work. So given the rates, the following rates are at site may be considered: sand 350 rupees per cubic meter, aggregates 800 rupees per cubic meter, cement 320 rupees per bag. Next one, steel 40,000 per ton. Next one, bricks 20,000 per load, means 5,000 numbers. Next, first class mason 500 rupees per day, man mazdoor 400 rupees per day, woman mazdoor 350 rupees per day, bargaining 15 rupees per kg. This is the rates at site. So rates are be changed from location to location, means site to site or area to area or place to place with different costs of materials and labors. So total area construction of the building depending of the area of materials cost and labor cost. So here we calculated the first class brickwork in superstructure in cement mortar 1:4 and RCC work CC cement concrete is 1:2:4. First class brickwork, we find out the cement mortar. Write down solution. First class brickwork in superstructure in cement mortar 1:4 for 10 cubic meters. So here cement mortar is 1:4. Here 1 is the cement, 4 is the fine aggregate, means sand. So first one, bricks for the 10 cubic meters, here equal to 10 into 1. 1 cubic meter. 1 cubic meter bricks is 500 equal to 5000 numbers for the 10 cubic meters bricks works. Next one, cement requirement and find the sand requirement. So first one, cement requirement is the dry volume of mortar in brickwork into cement ratio divided by sum of the ratios into quantity. So dry volume of mortar in brick is 0.30 into cement ratio is 1 divided by sum of the ratios 1 plus 4 into total quantity is the 10 cubic meter into 10, that is equal to 0.6 cubic meters. It is the cement requirement and it converts kgs and bags. So first of all, weight of the cement equal to 0.6 into unit weight of the cement is 1440. Then both multiply 0.6 into 1440 equal to 864 kgs. So number of bags equal to total weight divided by each bag weight. 864 divided by 50. Bag weight is 50 kgs. That is equal to 17.28. It is equal to 18 bags. It is the cement requirement equal to 18 bags. Next we find out the sand requirement. Sand requirement equal to dry volume of mortar in brick work into the is what is the ratio? Sand ratio. Sand ratio divided by sum of the ratios into quantity. So first one, dry volume of the mortar equal to 0.3 into sand ratio is 4 divided by sum of the ratio 1 plus 4 into quantity 10. That is equal to 24 cubic meters. So here we find out the brick requirements, cement requirement and sand requirement. Then we calculated these rates. Draw the table from, we know the serial number, description, quantity, unit of payment, rate, amount. So first one, serial number, materials. We find the cement requirement, brick requirement, sand requirement. Here, how many quantity, number of bags? 18 bags. So unit of payment, 1 bag. Here, give the cost of cement bag is 320 rupees. So multiply 320 into 18 equal to 5,760 rupees. Next one, brick requirement. Quantity is the bricks for 10 cubic meters for 5,000 numbers and payment is the 1 brick. Here given in data, bricks amount 20,000 per load means 5,000 numbers. So we know the 20,000 per load. So 5,000 each brick was, so 5,000 load is 20,000 per load. That is equal to amount 20,000. Next, requirement of the sand. So here find out the requirement of sand, 2.4 cubic meter. So unit of payment is 1 cubic meter. Then rate is 350 rupees. Sand rate. This is sand 350 rupees per cubic meter. So substitute multiply 2.4 into 350. It is equal to 840 rupees. Next one, total cost of the material is added 3 values. Then finally 26,600 rupees. Next one, labors. Here use labors, masons, 9 members and man mazdoors, 8 women mazdoors, 8. Here generally we mazdoors for 10 cubic meters 16 members or 15 members in Mistri 2. Then here given the men and women. So take in total for 16 divided by 2, here 16 divided by 2, 8, 8 is the equal persons taken, men 8 and women 8. For 10 cubic meters work is taken 16. Persons taken used in labor in 10 cubic meter brickwork. So here half men Mazdurs and half women Mazdurs taken. So here each man Mazdur's rate is 400. 400 into 8 equal to 3,200, and 8 into 350 rupees per women Mazdurs 2,800 rupees. So total cost of the labor equal to 10,500. Next, total cost of the work equal to total cost of the material plus total cost of the labor. 26,600 plus 10,500 equal to 37,100. It is the total cost of the work. So it is the 1 point, and we calculate the second one. CC, cement concrete 1:2:4 per 10 cubic meter. Here calculated dry volume of the concrete. Dry volume of concrete 1.54 into this total quantity 10 cubic meter. That is equal to 15.4 cubic meter. So here calculated, one is the cement requirement, two is the sand requirement, four is the coarse aggregate requirement. So we calculated and their cost. Fine. First of all, requirement of the cement. Cement requirement equal to dry volume of concrete into cement ratio divided by sum of the ratios. 15.4 into 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 4. That is equal to 2.2 cubic meters. Next, weight of the cement we calculated. Weight of the cement equal to, so 2.2 cubic meters, unit weight of the cement 1440. That is equal to 3,168 kgs. It is converted into number of bags. Number of bags equal to 3,168 divided by each bag weight 50 kgs. That is equal to 64 bags. It is the requirement of the cement. Next, we calculate the sand and coarse aggregates. So, sand requirement, dry volume of the concrete into sand ratio divided by sum of the ratio. Dry volume is 15.4. It is the 15.4, and sand is 2 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 4. It is sum of ratios. Then it is equal to 4.4 cubic meters. It is the requirement of the sand. Next one, coarse aggregate equal to dry volume of concrete into coarse aggregate ratio divided by sum of the ratio. It is 15.4 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 4. That is equal to 8.8 cubic meter. It is the coarse aggregate requirement. So next we calculate the cost of material and cost of labor. Write the table form, serial number, description, quantity, unit of payment, rate, amount. Here we calculated the in steel and bar bending also. Here cement concrete RCC material in calculated steel and that bar bending amount. So first one we calculate the materials, cement, sand, aggregate. We find out the quantities. First one, cement requirement is the 64 bags. Unit of payment is 1 bag. Rate is 320 rupees. Amount is cement 20,048, means 64 into 320 rupees. Next one, sand requirement quantity 4.4. In unit of payment 1 cubic meter, rate is 350 rupees. 350 into 4.4, that is equal 1540 rupees. It is the requirement of the sand amount and quantity. Next one, aggregate. Aggregate amount is 8.8, sand is 4.4. 8.4 unit of payment is 1 cubic meter, and rate is the 800. 800 into 8.8, it is equal to 7,040 rupees aggregate. Next, add the total cost of the material is these three values added, then finally 29,060 rupees. Next one, labor. Here labor to how to take the persons. This is the fixed for 1 cubic meter and 10 cubic meters, RCC works and bricks works and cement mortar works. So masons is 9 for 10 cubic meters. Men Mazdurs and women Mazdurs Actually 10 to 12. We are taking to 11 of men and of women and 5.5, 5.5. We are taking to Manson's 500 rupees and men Mazdu's 400, women Mazdu's 350 rupees. So 9 into 500 equal to 4,500. Man Mazdu's 5.5 into 400, that is equal to 2,200, and women Mazdu's 5.5 into 350, 1,925. Then total cost of the labor, these three values added 8,425 rupees. Next one, serial number 3, description steel per 1 percentage. Unit weight of the steel is 78.5 into for 10 cubic meters, that is equal to 758. It is the unit of payment per ton. Rate is 40,000 rupees in given data. So here see the steel 40,000 rupees per ton and bar bending is 15 rupees. So ton 40,000. Then here not in ton, only 785 kgs into this value. So divided by ton means 1000, 40,000 divided by 1000 equal to 40 rupees. 40 into 785, that is 31,400. Next one, bar bending, serial number 4, description bar bending, and quantity is 785 kgs, and unit of payment per bar bending kgs, and rate is 15 rupees. Next 15 into 785, that is equal to 11,715 rupees. Then total cost of the structure or project equal to 29,060 rupees plus 8,425 plus 31,400 plus 11,725, that is equal to 80,660 rupees. This is the total cost of the structure. So any doubt in this problem? Next, we go to the steel. Which area we use the steel? How much steel? Maximum? How much? Minimum? How much we use in steel? We are using different parts in structure. So unit weight of the steel is 7,800 kg per cubic meter. Steel is used in foundation, column, beam, slab. So foundation in minimum 0.5 percentage steel is used in, and foundation maximum 0.8 percentage steel used. Next one, column. Minimum 0.8 percentage steel used in column, maximum 6 percentage steel used in column. Next one, beam. Minimum 1 percentage, maximum 2 percentage steel used in beam. Next one, slab. Minimum 0.7 percentage, maximum 1 percentage used steel in slab. This is the steel used in different portions in structures, mainly foundation, column, beams, slabs. So we have calculated the how many kgs in foundation, column, beam, slabs used in steel. So first one, for 1 cubic meter steel weights, unit weight of the steel in minimum and unit weight of steel maximum in foundation. First, minimum percentage of steel equal to 0.5 percentage. It is the minimum percentage 0.5, maximum is 0.8 percentage. So first one, quantity of the steel 0.5 divided by 100 into for 1 cubic meter equal to 0.005 cubic meter. Next, weight of the steel per 1 cubic meter, weight of the steel equal to unit weight of the steel into quantity of the steel. 7,850 into 0.005 equal to 39.25 kgs. This is the for 1 cubic meter. Next one, maximum percentage steel 0.8 percentage. Next one, quantity of the steel equal to 0.8 divided by 100 into 1 equal to 0.008 cubic meters. Next one, weight of the steel equal to unit weight of the steel into 0.008 and 7,850 into 0.008 to equal to 62.8 kgs. So here foundation in minimum steel for 1 cubic meter used 39.25 kgs and maximum steel is 62.8 kgs in for 1 cubic meter. Next one, column. Minimum percentage of steel 0.8, maximum percentage of steel is 6%. So first one, quantity of steel 0.8 divided by 100 into 1 per 1 cubic meter equal to 0.008 cubic meter. Weight of the steel equal to unit weight of the steel 7,850 into quantity 0.008, that is equal to 62.8 kgs. Next one, maximum percentage of steel equal to 6%. Quantity of the steel equal to 6 divided by 100 into 1, that is equal to 0.06 cubic meter. Next one, weight of the steel 7,850 into 0.06 equal to 471 kgs. So here column in minimum percentage of steel for 1 cubic meter, minimum 62.8 kgs and maximum steel is 471 kgs in column for 1 cubic meter. Similarly, beam, minimum percentage of steel 1% and maximum percentage of steel is 2%. So here weight of the steel is calculated. So first of all, quantity of the steel 1 divided by 100 into 1 cubic meter, it is equal to 0.01 cubic meter, and weight of the steel equal to unit weight of the steel into quantity 7,850 into 0.01, that is equal to 78.5 kgs. Next, maximum percentage of steel equal to 2%. Quantity of steel equal to 2 divided by 100 into 1, that is equal to 0.02 cubic meter. Then weight of the steel equal to 7,850 into 0.02 equal to 157 kgs. So here beam mean for 1 cubic meter steel minimum 78.5 kgs and maximum steel is 157 kgs per 1 cubic meter. Next, slab. Minimum percentage of steel is equal to 0.7% and maximum percentage of steel is equal to 1%. Quantity of steel equal to 0.7 divided by 100 into 1, that is equal to 0.007 cubic meters, and weight of the steel equal to 7,850 into 0.007, that is equal to 54.95 kgs. Similarly, maximum percentage of steel equal to 1%, quantity of steel equal to 1 by 100 into 1, that is equal to 0.01 cubic meter. Next one, weight of the steel equal to 7,850 into 0.01, that is equal to 78.5 kgs. So here slab in minimum weight of the steel is 54.95 and maximum weight of steel is equal to 78.5 kgs used in slab. This is the minimum maximum weights of steel used in foundation, beam, column, slab. So it is the 1%. We calculated the buildings in how many quantity. Suppose in slab 10 cubic meters, then weight multiply 54.9 kgs into 10. It is the kgs come to kgs and 540.95 kgs is for 10 cubic meters. It is the 1 cubic meter. Similarly, we calculated the number of buildings. This is the process. So, okay, thank you very much, all of you. Any doubt in this process? No doubt. Thank you.